Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate chip cookie using just your microwave. This easy method is perfect for a quick treat when a craving strikes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon each of granulated and brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of flour, a pinch of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Make sure you have a microwave-safe mug or small bowl ready. Now, let's get mixing. In your microwave-safe mug, combine the 2 tablespoons of softened butter with 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Stir these together until they are well combined and creamy. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it in thoroughly. Then, gradually incorporate 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a tiny pinch of baking soda. Finally, fold in 2 tablespoons of your favorite chocolate chips. Your dough is now ready for the microwave. With your cookie dough mixed, it's time for the magic to happen in the microwave. Place your mug or bowl with the dough into the microwave. Cook on high for approximately 40 to 60 seconds. Microwave ovens vary, so keep a close eye on it. You want the cookie to look slightly set around the edges but still appear soft and a little gooey in the center. Overcooking can make it tough, so 45 seconds is often a good starting point. It will continue to cook slightly as it cools. Once your cookie is out of the microwave, resist the urge to dig in immediately. It will be very hot. Allow it to cool in the mug for about 2 to 3 minutes. This cooling time is crucial, as it helps the cookie firm up and become perfectly chewy. The aroma alone is a treat. You can enjoy your warm, single-serving chocolate chip cookie as is, or elevate it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This quick and easy method delivers a delightful dessert in just minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.